There's a part of each of us that craves adventure. We want to see new places, capture moments, find meaning beyond the everyday. But nothing worth having comes without a little effort. Because without effort, what have we really earned? So we set out, balancing work with the thrill of discovery, finding joy in each little stop. The taste of ice cream, browsing unique stores. It's the small things that make a journey feel richer. Sometimes a simple moment reminds us that there's more to life than just reaching a destination. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of go, go, go. But here's the thing. Taking time to savor the journey, to sit down, to taste something good, that's where we find value. These are the moments that remind us we're not just here to work, but to live. As we explored, it struck me that adventure isn't about grand gestures. Sometimes it's just the curiosity of seeing what's around the corner, a local shop, or even the playful moments that bring us back to simpler times. These are the things we often overlook in our rush to get there, but they're part of the experience too. This trip was about more than just seeing the sights. It was also about capturing them. As the sun rose, I set up my gear, ready to work. But here's the truth. If you don't find joy in what you do, you'll miss moments like this. This is the beauty of life. The balance between effort and reward. Between creating something meaningful and simply being in awe of it. But it's not all about the work. It's the small things too. The smell of fresh coffee, the warmth of homemade bread. Suddenly, store-bought Pop-Tarts just don't compare. There's a realization here that the little things done well bring a sense of comfort that can't be rushed or manufactured. In the end, it's not just the places we go or the work we do. It's how we take it all in. Life gives us these moments, big and small, and they're all part of the journey. We don't have to race through everything. Sometimes slowing down gives us more than we could ever find by rushing forward. So we take these moments and head home, knowing that we've earned them. Because in the end, it's not just about the work. It's about the balance we create along the way, the joy, the effort, the moments of stillness. This is a story we'll remember, and it's one we can come back to, time and time again.